Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am a channel with 10 subscribers, so I'm going to need you to up that, okay? But today, as you saw on the title, we are going to be opening this. Okay, and this is very exciting because I love Pokemon cards. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. It's a collected pin, which is cool, and got the ETERNATUS VMAX, ETERNATUS VMAX Jumbo, and some other cards. So you can see that. So yeah, they're really rare, and I'm gonna open them. Trust me, they are rare. So I'm just gonna go and ask my mum to open them for me, or maybe I'll just open them myself. Okay, I'm just gonna open them so I can show you them. Okay, now we have unboxed the packaging. Okay, so I got myself some Pokemon cards. I got 2 jumbos and 1 jumbo and 2 normal cards. We got the ETERNATUS VMAX. We got the ETERNATUS VMAX. We got ETERNATUS V, which is, is the this ETERNATUS VMAX, ETERNATUS VMAX. And they're fuzzy. I love fuzzy cards. So yep. And also we are going to be unboxing these. There's a pack. This is a Dancer Blaze, but we also have some older packs. We have Burning Shadows, Cold, and we also have Steam Sage. Steam Sage is cold, so I'm gonna show you this full detail. Okay, now we're going to be opening up some packs. I'm excited. Now we're opening up some packs. So, I'm going to start with this Dancer Blaze one. So, yeah, I'm going to go to Dancer Blaze one. Oh, there we go. I got it open. You all know by now I can't really open packs. So, all you 10 people. So I'm just gonna open this one. What do you guess? I'm just gonna guess Psychic Energy. Oh, it's Leaf Energy. Okay, so it's Struggle Gloves, Clang, Dartrix, Larvesta, Hippopotamus, I can't pronounce him, Golett, Skitty, Danino, Durspess, Diggersby, Big Diggersby. Okay, that's first one. Next we have Burning Shadows. I love Burning Shadows. They don't make them anymore, sad, because they're replaced with Sword and Shield, which is the one we'll probably could be opening next. I literally can't open this pack. Literally. There we go. I'm not going to tell the Pokemon that I saw. Why you will see. Well, I'll tell you. I just don't want to tell you. Okay. Put this. This is the card. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you guess? I'm going to guess Psychic Energy. Oh, it's Electric Energy. Simp Sage, Noctowl, Dusclops, Mowbray, Stuffle, Noibat, Swark, Esper, Gyarados, Lycanroc. I love Lycanroc. Okay, next we are going to have Sword and Shield. Also, we are having Sword and Shield. I didn't see that. I promise. We're doing the oldest one last, which is Steam Sage. What do you guess? I'm gonna guess fire energy. Oh, water energy. Okay, so we have energy search, quick ball, new to my collection, Gavantula, Creaky, Sobble, Rhyhorn, Rosella, Farost, Raiden, and Sandaconda, I guess. So, actually we're going to do Steam Sage now. These are old cards, guys. So, go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess. Leaf energy. Oh, I didn't do it right. But anyway, I got a double thing. Double. This is cool. This. Steelic Spirit Link. This. And nothing else. I guess we have to do pray. We have to pray for the last pack magic. Pray. Can I please get last pack magic? Okay, I think the god of last pack magic says I'm allowed last pack magic. So pretty good. I really want last pack magic. Well, I want last pack magic. And last pack magic is good and good. So I mean, everybody wants last pack magic sometimes. I mean, you want VMAXs and GXs and V cards and rainbow rares. I mean, you want them, so you're gonna have to get last pack magic. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess psychic energy. Oh, leaf energy. Solrock, Reclamp, Yellowhorn, Larvitar, Nickit, Bounsweet, Snubble, Meltan, another Snubble, and Flygon. I guess that's what we have for today, guys. See you soon, and I'm just gonna show you this thing. It's so cool, guys. Look at it. It's so cool. Okay, guys. I guess I'm gonna start editing this video, and I will see you later in the time. Okay, so I'm just gonna say bye to all my 10 subscribers. I love you. So, yep, I'm just gonna do that. And Pokemon card wants to say goodbye to you because he's now famous. He's famous. He's famous to people. Okay, anyway, Noah is going to be back soon, and I will do something. I promise. So, bye. I'm just saying bye.